Classic Cantonese, fried beef river, mung bean sprouts, scallion, rice noodles, beef, Swiss juice. If there is no Swiss juice, you can use light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce with sugar. Pho is separated, which is easier to taste, and it's easier to cook. Try to separate. This is a skill. If not, it won't be stir-fried. First, spread the beef out and fry it. It's recommended to use chopsticks to stir-fry it, so it can heat more evenly and even taste. You must use chopsticks when frying rice noodles. Don't use a spatula. It's about like this, when it's about 7 or 8 cooked. Put the sprouts and scallions in and stir-fry together. Stir-fry for about 1 minute until the sprouts are cooked. Take it out after 1 minute. Set aside for later use. Add oil to the hot pan. At this time, you can add more oil. After the oil is hot, spread the rice noodles on the pot. Try not to stack them. Don't move after spreading. Let it fry for 30 seconds until it's a little crispy. Don't move if you put it down. Fry it. Don't move. After frying, turn it over and fry the other side, so high. At this time, pour in the Swiss juice. Stir them immediately after pouring in. Don't stop stirring. Stir as soon as possible. Let every rice noodle be colored. Put the beef just now. Pour it down with the vegetables and stir-fry it. Be quick and don't stop. After stirring well, it can be served. Subscribe. The recipe will be updated every day. And leave me a message about the dishes you like.